Here I have OPPO Reno4 Z 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to speed up this device. So you have the pre-installed application on your device, which is called Phone Manager. So you have to open it, tap agree and continue, then you have to wait till it scans all different features of your device, and then just tap optimize, and after that it will automatically fix these features that are in some other way are broken. And after that your device will be 100% faster than it was before. So that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.